Do you love that fresh, earthy smell when it rains? It feels so clean, right? Well, I have bad news for you. That smell is not actually coming from the earth. It is coming from billions of bacteria. A bacteria called Streptomyces lives in the soil and releases oils to survive dry periods. When raindrops hit the ground, they launch these bacterial chemicals into the air. So, that romantic rain smell you are breathing in is technically wet bacteria secretions. The scientific name for it is Petrichor. Believe it or not, the human nose is more sensitive to this smell than the shark is to blood. Do you still like the smell now, or is it gross? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more science facts.